Hello student. In this class, we'll study about some concepts of geometry. First of all, I'll just form this. What is this? This is nothing but a point. This dot is called a point. When we put so many dots side by side, like this is a dot, if we put so many dots side by side, it will form a line. So this is a line. A line has two arrows. These arrows have a specific definition here. It says that it is extending on both the sides. It has two arrows, that means it is not stopping at a particular point but extending both the sides. Now, if we take a part from it, if we take a part out from it, let's suppose this is the part which we have taken from this line, and we name these 2 points, 2 end points as A and B. So this is a part of the big line. So it is called line segment. This is a line and this AB is line segment. Now, if we just split this line from any particular point, let's suppose I'm just removing these two and I have just cut it from here. I just split it from here. So we have this part. If I draw it here, it will look like this. So this is nothing but a ray. It is called a ray. A ray has one end point and another part is extending in a particular direction. So if we talk about all these terms, first of all, we have introduced point. A point is nothing but a dot on a plane. Then it's line. Line, when we join lots of points together, it form a line, and line has no end point. It extends on both sides. So this is a line. Now, if we just cut a particular part from a line and take it out, it will form a line segment which has 2 end points. And if we just split a line from any single point and take a portion out, this portion will be a ray. So if we define, a line has no endpoints, right? Ray has one endpoint and line segment has 2 endpoints. Okay, so this is all about point, line, line segment and ray. Now, how do we identify or name a line, line segment or a ray? So, if I ask you, what is this? It's a line? Correct. What about this? It's a line segment and it is a ray. So, if you have a name like AB written like this, so it is nothing but a line. How will we identify this? We'll just see above the line. If the drawing above shows a line, that means it will be a line. If AB is written like this, so it has 2 endpoints, that means it is a line segment. And if it is written as AB with a ray above this, so it is nothing but a ray. So that means when we name any of them, we have to draw that above the name. Now we'll study about types of line. Types of lines. We have many types of lines, such as horizontal line, horizontal line is also called as sleeping line. That means this type of line is like this, sleeping. It is in the sleeping position. Next is vertical line, which is also called standing line. Okay, so standing line is nothing but like this, a line like this. It is called standing line or vertical line. Third is slanting line. Slanting line is inclined at some angle, like this. And then we have curved line. That means a line which is curved. Line means two endpoints, but it is curved. It has a curve. Then next is spiral line. Spiral line is a line in the shape of spiral. Then we have wavy line. Wavy line is a line in wave-like shape. And the last one is zigzag line. Zigzag line. Zigzag line is a line like this. This is a zigzag line. So if you talk about lines, so first is horizontal or sleeping line like this, then vertical or standing line like this, then slanting line inclined at some angle. It's not straight, neither straight nor horizontal. It's between straight and horizontal, standing and horizontal. Then it's curved line which have some curve, spiral which is rounded in shape, wavy line, it's not exactly straight, have some wave. Zigzag line has some peak turns. So this is all about line. Now next we'll classify line according to pair of lines. If we have a pair of line, like if two lines intersect at some point, these lines are called intersecting lines. These lines are called intersecting lines. If we have lines which have equal gap between them, which shows they will never meet at any point, anywhere. Never meeting lines with equal gap are called parallel lines. So what are parallel lines? Lines with equal gap are called parallel lines and they never meet. Intersecting lines are lines which meet at some point and they have different gap. They have a difference of gap between them. So this is intersecting line. This is parallel lines. We have one more type of line when two lines intersect like this and form a 90-degree angle. When two lines intersect by forming a 90-degree angle, they are called perpendicular lines. They are called perpendicular lines. So if we talk about pair of lines, if we have two lines intersecting at some point are called intersecting lines. If two lines never meet at any point and have same gap between them are called parallel lines. When two lines intersect as they form 90-degree angle at intersecting point are called perpendicular line. So now it's a practice time. First question which comes is draw a line segment PQ parallel to RS. So in this, what we need to do, what we already need to know is line segment, what a line segment is, and how to draw parallel line segments. What is parallel line? So we have to draw line segment parallel to RS. So I'll give you 30 seconds and draw it fast. Okay, so line segment PQ. I'll draw a line segment PQ as I know that a line segment has two endpoints. So this is my line segment. You can draw it straight like this also. This is PQ. And you have to draw one more line segment which is parallel to this. So you will draw another line segment RS which is parallel to this, or here I will draw it like this. It is somehow not parallel, like this. This is R and this is S parallel to PQ. Next we have to draw a line segment PQ which meets line RS at point O. So what we need here, we must know first is line segment, then a line and meet. That means we have draw one line segment, another line, and they both meet at O. So you try it first, then check. Pause your video, try it once, and then come and check whether you have done it correct or not. So we first of all draw a line RS. This is S, this is R, this is a line RS, and we have to draw a line segment PQ. So we will draw a line segment PQ like this. This is P and this is Q. And the question says that these two meet at O. So this is the meeting point and we'll name it O. Have you drawn it like this? The direction of line segment and line can be any, but the important thing is PQ must be a line segment, RS must be a line, and intersecting point must be O.